Hey guys, Fishy here, and again we've got some of the lazier fakers. This is Sylvia Hale trying to get into a group that I'm helping. Lives in California City, California. We all know by now that state, city, comma, state is one of the formulas that fakers use all the time. We'd love to see what the population of those places are in contrast to how Facebook finds how many of them. That would be interesting. So this is all that's on her wall, just a few pictures, all uploaded in the same day in April, and just a little bit of interaction. Not a lot going on the profile. When we look at friends and we scroll down a bit, no friends to show, just the same photos we've already seen, a video there, and that's all that's really visible. So we're going to go to Stalk Scan. I've loaded up her profile here. We are going to look at pages. What pages does Sylvia like? Well, this, of course, doesn't look like someone out of California. There's a Iraq page. Here's a little further down, Kochi, India. More in India. A little further down, we'll find more out of different parts of India. There's something I think that's in Calcutta or close to Calicut. That might be a different place. I don't know. I'm not familiar with India, but these are different places from what you would expect this profile looking like this to be. When we check tags, what has Sylvia been tagged in? Well, this. And that's weird. It's odd. It's not consistent. And that's where we find fakers messing up, is they're not consistent. When we look at what posts Sylvia is tagged in, it's stuff like this. And this is just somebody who didn't scrub the profile before using it. And that's interesting because if they do scrub the profile, then everything looks new, and that's also suspicious. So they can't really win there. When we go down here and we look at comments on pictures, we'll click that. This is what we see. This sort of content. This is not, again, consistent with California City, California for this one girl that doesn't look at all remotely like she's South Asian. And then we'll click on this guy. When we look at him and we go through these comments, we're going to find a comment from Sylvia. We sure are. And when we do, what are we going to find? A tag right underneath it that says Sadique Malappuram. And it's Sylvia Hale's picture from that profile. Sometimes it's just easier than it needs to be. I'm glad we have Stalk Scan to dig a little deeper on profiles like this. And I'm also glad that fakers have a catch-22 there. So in the meantime, share this video. Help people learn about the wonder that is Stalk Scan in checking out hinky profiles. I highly recommend it, and I want to spread the word as far as I can. So share this video to do that.